Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing a follow-up tutorial of how to restore your internet connection if your internet is down. I made my first video earlier in the evening, and I did want to make a follow-up in the event that the first video did not work successfully for you, which is perfectly reasonable to believe because not every problem has the same solution. Very similar to the previous video, what we're going to start off with is opening up an elevated command prompt. So I'm going to head over to Start menu again and type in command prompt. I'm going to right click on it, run as administrator. If you get a user account control window pop up, select yes. Okay, so I have the commands actually saved on a notepad file on my desktop, so it'll be a little bit quicker for me to type. I will have this text in the description of the video, and you just have to paste it into the command prompt. So I'm going to paste in the first line of text here. I'm going to click on enter. We get a little notification saying OK. I'm going to do the second line here. I'm going to paste that in. Again, we get another OK. I'm going to do third line, paste it in. I'm doing Control V to paste, by the way. I'm using Control C to copy, and I'm using Control V to paste, if anybody was wondering. So getting back on track here, I'm going to click on enter. OK. And then last one, again, like I was saying, I'm going to do Control C to copy the text, and I'm going to do Control V to paste it into the command prompt. Enter one last time. So I know this might look a little bit confusing here. However, if everything is disabled, that is good. The only thing we want enabled is receive-side scaling state. We want to make sure that is set to enabled. So at this point, what we want to do is close out of the command prompt. We want to restart the computer. And at this point, you should be good. So hopefully this alternative method should work for you. If not, I do have a couple other alternative methods I have in mind, but hopefully one of these two should work out in your scenario. So thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out.